Have you ever conducted an experiment on the sedimentation of wastewater? This plays a crucial role in selecting the lamella clarifier as a wastewater treatment device. Let's begin the experiment now. First, let's take a look at the experimental equipment needed. Mix the raw water evenly before the experiment. Pour 500 milliliters of raw water into a beaker. Add a quarter of a milliliter of PAC solution. And quickly stir for 30 seconds to observe the formation of floccules until distinct floccules are formed. Add 5.5 milliliter of PAM solution. And slowly stir for 1 minute until large floccules are produced. Stop stirring and observe the sedimentation process. If the sedimentation process is completed within 5 minutes with clear supernatant, it is suitable for the lamella clarifier. If the sedimentation is completed between 5 to 10 minutes with a small amount of suspended solids in the supernatant, it is also suitable for the lamella clarifier. However, if the sedimentation takes longer than 10 minutes, it is not recommended for use. By separating the supernatant, we can see that there are still some suspended solids that cannot be settled. This type of suspension is particularly suitable for dissolved air flotation.